Facility for a burglary in progress. When officers arrived, they opened the roll-up garage door to the unit and saw the suspect point a handgun in their direction.
Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Drop the gun! We have guns.
Officers made repeated commands, telling the suspect to drop the gun and moved into a tactical response.
Hey, drop the gun!
This is a different body cam review from another officer at the scene.
Hey, drop the gun! Drop the gun now! Drop the gun!
The suspect fired his weapon twice from inside the storage unit before he walked out of the unit. When the suspect emerged from inside the unit, he continued to point the gun at the officers.
Hey, drop the gun! Hey, back up, back up, back up.
An officer discharged his weapon, striking the suspect. This is a slowed-down version of the incident. Officers provided life-saving measures to the suspect at the scene before EMS arrival.